Hey there guys, thanks for tuning in. So, I apologize for the shaky camera. What I'm going to be doing today is I'm going to be resetting my HP laptop to Windows 10 because it's been having some issues and I just want a fresh new computer. So, I'm resetting my Colorado Technical University laptop that I got for attending their school. It's been a while since I've gone through this process and I just want a new computer. So I have in here in my CD drive a Windows 10 reinstall disk. What I had done to get to this screen is when the computer was starting up, I had pressed the escape button a couple times and it gave me the option for a boot menu. I would show you it again, but you know, it's just here already, so I'm not going to go back and do that. But anyway, there would be a boot menu here. You'd pick the option to start up from the CD right there. You click install now. Setup is starting up. So the real reason why I'm doing this is because there is a bunch of crap on there that I don't use anymore. So this will be definitely beneficial. I'm not sure if you could hear it, but my computer is working hard. Noises like that. Alright, we have terms of agreement. I totally read all that, and I accept. Next. Alright, the choice that we're going to do here, we're going to choose Custom Install Windows Only Advanced, since we're going to be starting it up as new instead of keeping all the files. So we're going to choose this one. Alright, so we're going to choose the big drive. Partition Windows right there, that's a huge drive right there. Total size is that much, oh my gosh. How did I get all these partitions? Alright, so that's a little bit silly. We have the Windows partition there, so we should use that. Let's go and... where do you want to install Windows? I want to install it there. Next. The partition... if the partition you've chosen contains files from previous Windows installation, these files and folders will be moved to a folder named Windows Old. You'll be able to access Windows Old, but you won't be able to use your previous version of Windows. Okay. The partitions on the disk selected for installation are not in the recommended order. For additional information about installing the disk, go to their... Do you want to proceed? Yeah. I'm installing Windows on the Windows. Copying Windows files, getting files ready for installation, installing features, installing updates, finishing up. So we're just going to let that run for a bit. Alright, this is actually going to take quite the while. So I'm going to put a pause on here, and I will catch up later.